Aquarius. This is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let us go ahead and go into your career spread. Aquarius, let's go. So let us see. It's Empress Divine. Anytime I'm looking at your face, you make my world a brighter place. Yeah. And your majesty and grace, I help me through the rock race. Boom! Joy in your eyes, me no see no tears. Love is what's in giving me through all this. Every time you need me there, I will be there, my dear. I say, there is no faking, no heartbreaking. Like a volcano, this a true love is shaking, yeah. In tender caring, we are partaking. Woman, you make me feel setting at the making, yeah. Intoxication of a certain kind. And I will like it that you suit my mind. Palpitation of another kind. Don't fast forward, baby, just rewind. This is Belle. No, where this take up my money and buy? And not even my money, I government money. Good morning, IIRC. Good morning, IIRC. How are you today? I hope everything is well for you. I hope all your dreams came through. And I hope you have a nice morning. I never even planned to sing the song. I load it and it wouldn't load, so I said I'm abandoning it. And it fucking found me. It found me. Intenga caring, we are popping. We're running, big things and all I'm making. Yeah, intoxication of a certain kind. I would like it that you suit my mind. Palpitation of another kind. Don't fast forward, baby, just rewind. Joy in your eyes, me no see no tears. Love is what you're giving me through all this. Every time you need me there, I will be there, my dear. I say, love in your eyes, me no see no fears. Joy is what's in giving me through all this. Every time you need me there, I will be there, my dear. No be station in anything you do, and I will always be a part of you. And Jah will make us, He will see us through. True. A whole new world awaits. Right times on the pearly gates, where love is as strong as pain, and life is about to give and to take. Joy in your eyes, me no see no fears. Love is what's in giving me through all this. Every time you need me there, I will be there, my dear. I say, love in your eyes, me no see no fears. Joy is what's in giving me through all this. Every time you need me there, I will be there, my dear. That's your man, that's my man. Sagittarius. And I'm gonna stand by him. If he does not have one of these, he does not belong to me. There's so much, this crazy misconceptions happening. Let me tell you something, nigga. There's crazy misconceptions happening, my nigga. People be talking about, yo, is this bitch claiming this nigga? Is this nigga with this bitch? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. I just want to clear the rumors up. And I just want the fans to know that I love y'all. I fuck with y'all and I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want to do no without y'all. And I just want the fans to know, if they do not have one of these, I'd never try to kiss their mother's ass to make sure I'm welcome in the family. I would never claim them. Anyways, Sagittarius, joy in your eyes, me no see no fears. So love is what you're giving me throughout the years. And anytime you need me, Sagittarius, I will be there. I will be there. Anytime you need me, I will be there. Like IIRC. I wasn't going to get emotional about the government office. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. All right, we're going into your career reading. What are we doing? Was it Gemini? Was it Sagittarius? Let's go. Was it Aquarius? Who we doing? We don't remember. Okay, we're going to read it here. What's your focus? Your focus is the 7 of Cups. See, I don't remember. I don't remember. Seven of Cups. Who are we doing? Are we doing? Not Gemini. Please figure it out, okay? I'm doing so much readings back to back, okay? Seven of Cups, clarifying your first card being your focus. So I'm getting you can't focus because you're drinking a lot. And you're trying to tell yourself, I can work and drink. No, you can't. You're going to be like, hi. Thank you so much for calling FedEx. My name is Right? Yeah, you can't do that. You're drinking on the job. You're going to pass out, okay? So I'm getting you don't want to see that you are carrying your intoxications to work. So you can't focus. You're telling your boss that you're sick and you're not feeling well. I'm getting because you're drunk. What's your advice? The Three of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of partying. You and your friends been drinking a lot, eh? I know you come back at work and you know what to do. You can't even go to your friends for good advice because you're drinking with them. Now, I don't know if your friends are unemployed or what they do for a living, but I'm getting none of y'all ever said, hey, you think we're drinking too much? Like that never came across anybody's head, apparently. What's your mentorship? Your mentorship is the Eight of Cups. Okay, so whoever your mentor was, they were a drinker too. Maybe your mentor was your father or whoever this is. I'm getting they always drank. What's your sign that you're on the right path? The Two of Cups. Okay, and what's your outcome? The Nine of Cups. Look on all these cards. We have your focus. We have your advice. We have your mentor. We have your sign. And we have your outcome. These are all cups. So I'm getting a deal with a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. I'm also getting basically, you were hanging out with friends and you get pulled into liquor. Now you might not know you had a problem because your friends them want you to drink with them. So your mentorship is a drinker. Your sign that you're on the right path is the Two of Cups. Now if you look on every card here, the Two of Cups and the Seven of Cups is the only cups that do not have hands on it. So these two cards are the only two cards that are being significant right now. So I'm getting you tell your husband, your girlfriend, or your boyfriend say him have a drinking problem or he's acting the way he's acting because I'm highly intoxicated. Him never want, him a turn a blind eye. Him gonna go drink and run, gonna go brush him teeth. So you don't know what the fuck you don't know why I'm out that way. Him drunk and gonna brush him teeth. You don't smell nothing. Me getting you want to know what the right me getting is either you grow up with a family of drinkers, the one on the drink. How do you know that you have a drinking problem? Okay, do you buy alcohol like how you buy juice to put in your fridge? Can you go into your place and you take out the alcohol and just drink it anytime? You might have a very, very much high tolerance for liquor. Because people don't really buy liquor and put down in them house. Yeah, this is scary. Shut the fuck up, right? I'm telling you, people don't buy liquor and put down in them house. They buy liquor for events. One bottle. Them don't even buy a crate. They don't buy six. Me never blood clots. Nobody in Jamaica buy 6-pack. Never. If them buy 6-pack, a 6 man a share it and a 6 man put money for buy it. Me never say 1 man buy 6-pack of Jamaica and go and go blood clot, pull it and drink it. So him, you know what he would do? He would go to a rum bar and drink that way. Where him around people drinking, where him around a sexy ass bartender would throw him the liquor. He must spend him the money that way. Ain't no motherfucking Jamaican man a son them blood clot yard. I buy fucking 6-pack and I chill there alone. Them after out a road, I look some girl or me don't know what them a do. They're trying to exercise how far they can go up, right? So I'm getting your leg off of the liquor. You might not want to see that this is an issue, it's an issue. Your alcohol problem is an issue. Whether you have 1 glass or you have a bottle, it is an issue. The alcohol made your judgment loose. That's why you're around so much girl or you're so comfortable with girl that touch you. Right? And when your girlfriend tell you so she not like that, you tell your girlfriend so she's jealous. But you don't know so because you're under the influence. I'm getting, if you want, okay, so I'm getting career-wise, I don't know if you work at LCBO, you work at Ray Nephew, or you work at Appleton Estate, I don't know where you work, but if you're not working on a liquor place, what I'm getting is, your career is non-existent because all you can think about is drinking. I'm getting you don't have a career, you have a job. And the job gives you money where you can use and drink with your friend them. Now me getting the drinking mash up your relationship. So you want to know how to get back your wife, how to get back your girlfriend, how to get back your man, how to get back your boyfriend, how to get back in contact with your daughter, with your son. You have to let go of the fucking drinking alone. You have to let it go. And you might say it's hard. Let me tell you how addiction stay. Your need to let it go have to be stronger than your need to keep doing it. If your need to let it go is not stronger than your need to keep doing it, you will not let it go. But you have to find something more worth it. So me getting, you're turning a blind eye. You might have said that somebody else had a problem, somebody else schizophrenic, somebody else manic. Me getting, you need to confess your sins now. Your sin is you were drinking a lot. You lost your girlfriend or your boyfriend because you had drink. You lose your family because you had drink. And me getting, you never want to see that it was an issue. You were like, it's just liquor. Well, the just liquor, you need to come back now and to tell your boyfriend, your husband, or you need to tell your wife, say, honey, apparently you weren't schizophrenic. I was just drunk all the time. And I could not see clearly. So, me getting that is your path, that is your right, that is the information you need to get back the love of your life, or to go back into this Two of Cups energy. Meaning getting, you have to address the problem that you were drinking. Because you may have covered it up with somebody who was emotional. You were emotional. You just couldn't see it because you were drunk. Or you're around somebody and you remember being around them and then another minute them just start crying. And you said a person manic or something. No, you said something really fucked up while you were drunk and you don't remember. Me getting, you keep having pieces, bits and pieces of memory of somebody, and every memory you have, you see them a yell, argue, scream, or cry. Me getting, because you've been the aggressor all along, you've been drunk and you've been doing this to this person, and you keep seeing when them a cry and it's like your eye go back down and then it come up again and you're seeing them in a different emotion and it go down. Me getting, you were the cause of this. Me getting your vision is gone. Me don't know what the fuck you were looking through or seeing. Me getting your eyes them come back. Me don't know what that mean. We have jealous. We have vision. We have evil. We have larceny. Come visit me. Virgo. And the moon card. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. I can't say who I was ending the reading with because I don't remember who. So until next time, my dear friend.